Relative pronoun. So relative pronouns are the words used to join the two sentences and are used in place of noun. So they are known as relative pronoun. For example, I do not know the man who was shouting loudly. So who is relative pronoun? It is very important to know that relative pronoun also works like a conjunction. Next we will study about antecedent. So relative pronoun refers or relates to some noun which is used before in the sentence and is called its antecedent. For example, Rohan and Ritu went to the party. They both enjoy it. So Rohan and Ritu, here they are noun and we have used pronoun for them is they. So for they, antecedent is Rohan and Ritu. Next, they both enjoy it. It is the pronoun. So for it, antecedent is party. Next we have subject, object, possessive. So under subject, nominative case, object, accusative case and possessive case. So for person, you will use who, that. Under accusative case, whom, who, that. Possessive case, who. For things, nominative case, what, and accusative case, what. Again same. Important points to remember: that is used when antecedent refers to a person and another to a thing. For example, the table and the man that I saw were destroyed in fire. So the table is a thing, the man is a person, and that is a relative pronoun. For that, the antecedent is a thing and a person. Second point, who, whom, which should be used in preference to that whenever possible. Important point is that as may be used as a relative pronoun after such the same as. Example, my answer is exactly the same as yours. So here as is relative pronoun. Next point, but is used as a relative pronoun when the meaning of but is that not, who not, which not. For example, there is hardly any child but likes chocolate. Here the meaning of but is who does not like, because here the sentence meaning is there is hardly any child who doesn't like chocolates. So but is relative pronoun here. Next point is compound relative pronoun are formed by adding so, ever or so ever to interrogative pronoun. For example, let me know whenever you come. So whenever is compound relative pronoun. Exercise 1, fill in the blanks with suitable relative pronoun. First whose, second that, third whom, fourth who, fifth who, sixth also who, seventh what, eighth as because such word is used, ninth what, and tenth also what, 11th that, 12th what. Now exercise 2, join together each of the following pairs of sentences by means of connective. So first answer is we got into a bus which was crowded. Second, I have found the pen that I had lost. Third, this is the friend of whom I was speaking. Fourth, we hate such dishonest men as he is. Fifth, the cat caught the mouse which it was pursuing. Sixth, the boy who got the prize was very happy. Seventh, give me the pen which is on the table. Eighth, I have a friend who is a great artist. Ninth, we praise Kuldeep whose bowling is very good. 10th, those mangoes which Pushpa brought. Exercise 3, split each of the following sentences into two answers. First one, bring me the cap, it is lying on the bed. Second, the dog died, it was ill. Or you can make the sentence, the dog was ill, it died. Third, where is the purse? I left it here yesterday. Fourth, the chair broke, it was very old. Fifth, the work is not easy, you have to do it. Sixth, some people live in glass houses, they must not throw stones. Seventh, the crow dropped the cheese, then the fox snapped it up. Eighth, everybody wishes to live, there is no man who does not wish to live. Ninth, I honor some man, he is such a man. 10th, he has lost all hope, he has also lost all fear. exercise 4, you have to name the relative pronoun and you have to tell the antecedent and case of each. First one, this is the boy whose bag was stolen yesterday. Boy is the noun. Okay, so it becomes antecedent for the pronoun whose, and this is in possessive case. Second one, the box which I lifted was very heavy. Boy is the antecedent, which is the pronoun, and it is in accusative case. Eat all that you like. So all is the antecedent, that is the pronoun, and it is an accusative case. Fourth, bring me the letter which the man left. Letter is the antecedent, which is the pronoun, and it is an accusative case. Then fifth, they also serve who only stand and wait. So there is the antecedent, who is the pronoun, and nominative case. Sixth, the boys who came late were punished. Who is the pronoun? Boy is the antecedent, it is in nominative case. Seventh, he that is contented is happy. That is the pronoun. He is the antecedent and it is in nominative case. Eighth, we met the people whose car was smashed. People is the antecedent, whose is the pronoun and possessive case. Whom the gods love die young. Whom is the pronoun here and the antecedent is hidden, so that is those. I have written there and it is an accusative case. 10th, I mean what I say. Again antecedent is hidden, so antecedent is that. What is the relative pronoun and it is in accusative case. 11th is not given in your book, so I have written below, this is the girl who helped me. So the girl is the antecedent, who is the pronoun, nominative case. 12th, show me the book which you brought, which is the pronoun. The book is the antecedent and it is an accusative case. All exercises done. If you have any problem or any doubt, write in comment section. Thank you and have a nice day.